Hi everyone, this is Matt. So today I'm going to show you how to create a Google Slides presentation in 5 to 10 minutes, how to automate it. So how do I do it? I am here in Google Slides. I go to Generate Slides, Generate DNA Damage Repair Presentation, and there you go, ta-da! This is it. So now let me show you how I've done it. So we go to ChatGPT, I'll close the previous website, and I'm going to now use some scripts. I will include all the scripts I'm going to use in the description down below, so don't worry about them. I'm just gonna copy paste them quickly and explain to you what is going on. So this is the first script. Now I'm asking here ChatGPT to create a presentation. It is supposed to be 15 slides long with 3 bullet points per slide. I have the audience here, so let me show you the audience. So this is my third year biomedical undergraduate students, but obviously you can change it however you like it. I want the presentation to be 20 minutes long. I also have the goal here, so I want to educate the students about DNA damage. And then in the end, I have the killer sentence, which is, before you start, ask me 5 questions to refine the presentation, to make sure that ChatGPT and I are on the same page. So ChatGPT asked me 5 questions here, and they are pretty good. They are absolutely relevant questions. So for example, do students have any prior knowledge of DNA repair mechanisms? That's really important, absolutely. So I'm going to quickly answer these questions now, and we'll move on. Okay, so now it's going to create a presentation for me. The presentation looks fine. We have 15 slides here. We have 3 bullet points per slide. Everything's okay. Now, you could very simply copy paste all of this information into Google Slides or PowerPoint and create a presentation yourself. But this will take you, I would assume, with that much information, at least half an hour. Now, I'm going to show you a method how to do it in a couple of minutes. So now this is the next command I am using, and this command is asking ChatGPT to create a script for Google Slides so that it will automatically create the presentation just using the code that it created. Now, I always like to check the script, that the code that ChatGPT created, and the one issue I can see here straight away is that it created 3 slides, so 3 titles with the bullet points, but it was supposed to create them for 15 slides, and it just said add more slide data as needed, which is just being lazy. So we'll fix this later, but for now, let's just work with what we have here. So in the top right corner here, you have copy code. So I'm going to do this. And now I'm going to go to the website called slide.new. So this is that. And here also we have this tab called extensions. And we want to go to apps script. This opens a new website now. Okay, here you go. So yes, this is me. Now delete all of this information, copy paste the script we have, and now save the project. Okay. And now here, change this from on open to generate slides. So it automatically generates slides after you run it here. So let's run. And it is asking to review permissions because this is a new code and Google is unfamiliar with this. So we will have to confirm that the code is safe. Yes, so this is exactly what it's saying. So I go to advanced and I click go to untitled project, which it thinks it's unsafe, but really it was created by ChatGPT. I've seen the code, it's fine. There you go. So it executed the code and we ended up with an error. And honestly, it just keeps happening with ChatGPT that maybe 7 out of 10 times you will end up with an error, but it will take you a couple of minutes to troubleshoot it. It's really quick. So it's definitely worth using this method anyway. So I copy pasted the error. I am in ChatGPT. I am pasting the error. And now ChatGPT will apologize. Yes, it's apologizing for the mistake. It's creating a new code. Now I am copying this code, going back to app script, deleting all of the old code, pasting the new code, and hitting run. There you go, execution started, execution completed. So this code is absolutely fine. Let's go back to ChatGPT, and the first issue that we had here, that it only created 3 slides. We want all of the slides to be created. So please expand to include all of the slides. There you go. Now we have a full code with all of the slides. So I'm going to copy this, paste the new code, hit run, and let's look what happens at the execution log. Execution started, execution completed. Now I'm gonna go here, and there you go. How easy is that? Seriously, like, this is so good. This is just brilliant. We've got the whole presentation straight away. It's been, what, a couple of minutes since I started. And everything's here, and let's double click, let's open these. And to be honest, it's a good presentation content-wise, but it looks ugly, doesn't it? But Google Slides has themes here. You have lots of themes on the right-hand side. I really like this one for some reason. I like the colors, to be honest. There you go, and that looks so much more appealing to the eye right now, straight away. But it is very much, 3 bullet points per slide. Now, that might be fine if you know your stuff and you want to talk about it and you don't want to include any more information. But if you do want to include more information and bulk it up a little bit, then I would copy this text and go to Perplexity AI. So this is, and so now I would copy paste information here. Now, why am I using Perplexity? Because Perplexity is a search engine powered with AI. It is very factual. Unlike ChatGPT, which is a large language model, Perplexity will use all the websites, all the information that is out there to create an answer for you. And it created a really nice answer here with actual citations. So these ones here and so on are citations. So look, it actually cited a paper from the journal Cell, which is a really good paper. Frontiers, another Cell, 2 more citations there. I also love that I have some graphs here, videos, stuff. So there's a lot of information here that you could literally just copy paste into your presentation straight away, and that's that. So I think altogether this is just a really quick way to create a presentation. Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about Perplexity as well. I might make a video on the differences between Perplexity and ChatGPT because they have better uses for different things essentially. And if you benefit from this, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.